These are the softest pumpkin cinnamon rolls you'll ever make, and I mean melt in your mouth soft. In your stand mixer bowl, pour in half a cup of lukewarm milk and a pinch of sugar. Sprinkle in 1 packet of active dry yeast and let it sit until frothy, about 5 minutes. Now mix in half a cup of pumpkin puree, a quarter of a cup of melted butter, 1 egg, a quarter of a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice if you're feeling fancy. Start adding 4 cups of all-purpose flour little by little and knead it with the dough hook for about 7 minutes until it's smooth and stretchy. Then drizzle in a splash of avocado oil, coat the dough, cover it up, and let it rise for an hour. Roll the dough out into a big rectangle. Spread half a cup of pumpkin puree right on top. Now drop little flavor bombs all over it. That's 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a quarter of a cup of softened butter. No need to spread it perfectly, messy is beautiful here. Roll it up tight. Slice into 8 pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. Let them rise for 30 minutes while you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and fluffy. Then finish them off with a glaze made of 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now drizzle over the warm rolls. Soft, sweet, sticky, pure fall vibes in every bite. Get the full recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. You know you want to.